Hello guys, so probably you might have seen my M32 Gearbox inspection video. It's an old video, but here I'm going to show you the M32 Gearbox replacement parts, and in this case bearings, seals, retaining rings, synchro rings, so on. So the best bearings for that gearbox are Timken. Here you can see the holographic sticker. So let's open this one and see what's inside. Here we go. Tapered roller bearing. Let's open the big one. Matter of fact, those two bearings, this one and this one here, are the culprits for the gearbox failures. So if your gearbox failed, it's advisable to buy Timken bearings like those two here. I think the both are the same, but I'm not sure. Again, tapered bearings. Here we have a synchro ring. I don't know which gear this one is. Another synchro ring. Here we have a O-ring. This one goes on the shaft towards the clutch. Needle bearings, and believe me, there are lots of them. And this one is really big. Here we have smaller one. But however, the most important thing in servicing your M32 gearbox is a regular replacement of oil, and you should really buy genuine GM or better oil.